At Lovico, we don't just sell cars, we redefine their charm. After pickup, our professional customized beauty services elevate your vehicle's premium feel, offering rich colors and textures for personalized aesthetics. Our technicians, professionally trained and experienced, handle every detail with passion and the highest standards. For exteriors, high-end maintenance products remove minor scratches and oxidation, restoring paint gloss while forming a protective film against UV rays, acid rain, tree sap, and so on, and make the car body shine like new. It can also form a protective film on the car paint surface, effectively resist the erosion of ultraviolet rays. Interior care uses special leather agents for seats, dashboards, and door panels, gently cleaning stains while nourishing leather to prevent cracking and fading. We use premium Gold Car Wash liquid to soften water, deep clean interiors, and remove odors, paired with Bausta Aviation soft pack floor mats, custom fitted for each model. Every owner is assigned a dedicated advisors, providing round-the-clock support, ensuring every Lovico maintained vehicle exudes extraordinary quality. Lovico turns every journey into a luxurious experience, where Chinese craftsmanship meets global excellence. Chinese vehicle, global reach.